Good evening, guys. Right. Other day I was talking about YML. We completed discussion on YML now. Okay. Then let's get into the profiles. Already we started, but we could not continue because we don't have knowledge on what? YML. Now we got the knowledge of YML. Let's focus on what? Profiles. Yeah, tell me. Project will be developed by keeping one setup in mind or multiple setups in. These setups are also called as what? Environment. Raju, అది బ్రైట్నెస్ ఎక్కువైనట్టు చూడు కనిపించట్లేదంట. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? నాట్ ఓకే? ద పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ 4 eyes, ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. బ్రైట్నెస్ ఈజ్ ఓకే ఆర్ నాట్ ఓకే? ఇట్స్ ఓకే, మేనేజబుల్. బట్ సమ్వన్ గివెన్ కంప్లైంట్ ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. యూ చేంజ్డా? చేంజ్ చేసావా? I guess you have not uploaded notes on Monday session. Monday session notes not uploaded. Uploaded. Everything is there, boss. Yeah. Yeah. Let's come back. Let's come back, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah. I was talking about what, guys? I was talking about what concept, guys? Profiles concept. What concept, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Every project goes through different environment, also called setups. These setups are also called as what? Profile. What are those? Development, where development takes place. Testing, where total testing, not unit testing, takes place. Then release of the project, but release is not a setup, guys. After release, client organization will appoint their own tester to test the project. They don't believe software company blindly. That is called UAT, user acceptance test. Then project goes to live. That is called production. These are 4 recommended setups. If you want, you can increase or decrease. Before production, pre-production, production. Like this, you can take a number of things, right? In original practice, every setup happens as separate machine. All developers will connect to what? Development profile machine. Will do development activities. Once project is ready for testing, it will be moved to what? Testing setup machine. All testers will connect to this. Once release it to client organization creates one machine having UAT testers will connect. Having high-end configuration, one more machine will be kept ready for production. All end users, employees, all okay, online team, okay, online team, offline team, everyone will connect to that machine to maintain the project, to use the project, right? But the question is, companies are very intelligent people. Only in UAT and production, they use costly and commercial software. In development and testing, they use free software. But they need to develop the code in the development itself by keeping the change of softwares in mind. Though they are changing one software to another software, code definitely changes, but that code change should be smooth. And to make this code change smooth, we have to think about going for what? Profiles. Netflix account is only one, but 5 profiles are allowed to create or not. Suppose profiles are not there, guys. Kids will watch family head audio, video, movie selection. ऐसा no na, guys. But when family head try to get into kids movie selection, he will get irritation or not there. All Blackpink, Korean dramas. ऐसा no na. Because see, generally he gets little amount of time, he want to relax. But in that one, if you look at all the zigzag and for the searching of movie only takes a lot of time or not there. Instead of that, if profiles are there in same account of Netflix, if profiles are there in what? Same account of Netflix, then what happens, guys? If profiles are there in the same account of Netflix, so definitely it is useful or not there. Definitely it is very, very useful for end users or not there, guys. Say something, my dear. I want reply, my dear. Okay, that's good. Great. Yeah, let's try to understand the concept of what profiles. Okay, now see in development we use MySQL Tomcat server. The testing also MySQL Tom. But after release, we try to use better softwares or not there. Oracle, Wildfly. After in that the production also Oracle or any better server is there, that server. When database is changed, driver changes. When driver changes, accordingly connection pool also we try to change. All these changes should happen very smoothly. I don't want to disturb code too much. Though I'm running same code in different profile, but I don't want to disturb code very, very smoothly. I want to disturb the code very, very less. I want to have this smooth transition, guys. For that, you have to take the support of profiles or not. Sir, how to give application.property file entry specific to each profile? That is very interesting, guys. Okay, total four setups na four property files you have to take. Number one, application hyphen dev dot properties. Application hyphen UAT dot properties. Application hyphen prod dot properties. Application hyphen okay. Prod dot properties. Test dot properties. What I will write, guys? In every profile specific property file, that profile related JDBC properties, JPA properties, come on, connection pool related information can be written or not there. Sir, application hyphen profile dot properties. Profile name is not fixed. Whatever you assume, that is continued. For development, you use a dev as the word. You continue application hyphen dev dot properties. Interesting or not? Okay, fine. I'm developing Spring Beans by using at the rate component. Suppose you take a DAOs. Overall, I'm using two databases, one for Oracle, one for MySQL, right? So two DAO classes I will create now, boss. But I want to tell to IOC container, you instantiate Oracle DAO class only when production profile and UAT profile is inactive. When remaining profiles are not active, don't make it as a Spring Bean. For that one, what should I do? On the top of any user defined class that is configured with the stereotype annotation, you have to use at the rate profile annotation. What annotation? On Oracle DAO class, I have written at the rate profile UAT comma production. When the active profile is what? UAT or production, then only bean class loading, object creation, everything takes place or not there. Bean class loading, object creation, everything takes place or not there, guys. I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Convinced with me or not there, guys? Are you comfortable, my dear? I want reply from you people, guys. Super, guys. Tell me. Dudekal Hussain, what is there to understand? Last class also we discussed, my dear. Please, my dear. Please, joining lately and doing dances, huh? Everyone able to connect? What happened? Dudekala, where is your question? Please tell me. Project will be developed in different environments. Everyone knows project goes to development, testing. After release, testing happens. That is called UAT. If that is also successful, project goes to live. That is called production. Yes or no? Na? Okay, that's good. No, I'm not worried about 3 minutes joining. Yesterday, I think I have given basic introduction about profile. That was only I'm revising today, right? Fine. Forget about what you attended, what you not attended. That does not matter now. Okay. Now, that means same project should be ready to execute in 4 environments or not there. But tell me, in all environments, are we going to use same softwares? In all environments, are we going to use same softwares or not there? Testing, development, MySQL, Tomcat kind of free softwares. Testing also, MySQL, Tomcat kind of free softwares, right? UAT, you may use MySQL or Oracle, or you may use Tomcat or some other server. But production, compulsory use all high-end software and commercial database softwares are not there. High-end softwares and commercial database softwares are not there. Say something, my dear. I want reply, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me here, where is the story, guys? Yeah. 1103. Yeah. Where is that? 718. Spring Boot Core. It's a session on profiles or not? Everyone getting my point there? PROS1 dev, PROS1 testing. PROS1 dev, PROS1 testing. See, code MySQL, Tomcat, Apache DBs. MySQL, Tomcat server. Oracle DB, Tomcat server. Production. Oracle DB, Wildfly server. Yes or no, guys? Oracle DB, Wildfly server. Okay, dev, here is what? Testing, here is what? UAT, here is what? Production. Convinced with me or not there? Got the clarity or not there? Super. Okay, now tell me here, where is the story, guys? Yeah. Now my question is, auto configuration inputs we give in application.properties. In this 4 setup also I have to give now, my dear. How to give that? For that one, for every profile you create profile specific property file. How? Application profile dot properties. So total 4 profiles I am taking. Is it fixed or any number you can take? Okay. 4 property file. So all auto configuration inputs specific to each profile will be given. That profile specific application profile dot property file are not there. Point to be noted, right? Okay. Now tell me, guys, next. How to give, how to activate any profile, sir? In base property file, application.properties is there now, which is the default one. There we can activate any profile or not there. Okay, that's good. Okay, to write profile specific auto configuration input for every profile specific property file. Application profile dot properties. Application dev dot properties. Application test dot properties. Application UAT dot properties. Application prod dot properties. Are you getting my point there or not there? This is UAT. This is test. This is my dev. Are you understanding my statement, guys? To activate any profile, we have to use application.properties are not there. Super, guys. Tell me next one. We can activate each profile by using what? One of the two ways. Either spring.profile.activeDev, or if it is YML like this. We can use some system property. I'll come to that later. Okay, that is not a big issue now. The issue here is, according to database we use, DAO classes will change. But observe very carefully. In development and testing, we are using MySQL. We need to activate only MySQL DAO class when our profile, active profile is dev and test are not there. How to make Spring Beans working for certain profiles only, not for other profile. You should write @profile on the top of the class are not there. So when our active profile is UAT or production, then only this Oracle DAO related class will be loaded, object will be created or not there. Super. When our active profile is what, guys? Dev and test. What, guys? Dev and test. Tell me what happens, guys. Then only MySQL related class will be loaded and instantiated or not there. MySQL related class will be loaded and instantiated or not there. Say something, my dear. Got the clarity or not there? Okay, super. So this is my what? Oracle related activation. Here is what? MySQL related. But sir, there are some classes which are required for all profiles. Then what should I do? Don't write any @profile. Then what happens? They are common for all the profile. Sir, I'm creating Spring Bean by using @bean method. Then I want to make that Spring Bean specific to 1-2 profile. On the top of @bean method also you should write @profile or not there. 3 points, boss. To provide auto configuration input specific to each profile, use application-profile.properties or YML file. N profiles, N property files. Point number 1. Point number 2. To make stereotype annotated classes, @bean method returned object specific to send profile, you have to place @profile on the top of the class, on the top of what? @bean method specifying the profile name. Got it, guys? Number 3, to activate profile, you can use application.properties or YML specifying the profile name to activate. Simply specifying the profile name to activate. Are you getting my point there, guys? Convinced with me, my dear? Come on. Got the clarity, my dear? I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Okay. To make @bean method generated Spring Bean specific to one profile, @profile is given or not given? Here I given conclusion there. Check it out, guys. To keep auto configuration inputs using common properties specific to certain profile, then keep those common properties info of what? Auto configuration in application-profile name dot properties or YML. Everyone convinced with me, guys? Profile specific property file, JDBC properties, data source type, server port number, all. To keep user defined Java class as Spring Bean in certain profile, then use what? @profile on the top of user defined Spring Bean class. To keep predefined class of Spring Bean in certain profile, place @profile with profile name on the top of @bean method are not there. Okay, some data source configuration. I'm adding one more point, guys. To activate certain profile. Okay, what is there? To activate certain profile. use to activate certain profile, use application dot properties or YML file. Application dot properties or YML file. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Example application. Super. Okay, tell me. PROS1 dev, PROS1 testing, PROS1 UAT, PROS1 product. It's a standalone. That's why no server. In PROS1, what I want to use? MySQL. What's the connection pool I want to use? Same project. What is the database I want to use? What is the connection pool? C3P. In UAT, what is the PROS1 I want to use? Same code, Oracle DB, Oracle UCP connection pool. What is the one I want to use, guys? Okay, Oracle DB, the best Ikari CP I want to use. Standalone, na? That's why I'm not involving any server. In future, we take web application, there you can involve server also. I think you got the basic idea, boss. Project I want to develop how many times? One time. But I want to keep it ready for 4 profiles or not. I just write dev to prod, prod to UAT, prod to UAT to test, where in application dot property file. So entire code should start working for different profiles or not there. That much smooth transition I want or not there. Come on, guys. Are you getting the feeling that you are working for a company now? By adding all these things, you are getting the feeling. So in company also, I should think like this, my dear. That's why I'm giving confidence. You can show 3 to 4 years gap as experience after gaining subject from me. That much knowledge I'm injecting. See, all the major concepts I'm covering with respect to mini projects so that you will be ready for industry with that knowledge. Yeah. Mr. Dudekula. Mr. Dudekula. Dudbhai. Okay, are you ready now? Still getting problem. Are you ready now? Still getting problem, guys. Yes, guys. Mr. Dudekala, all okay now? Yes. Okay, guys. Give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. Yes, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is the setup that I want to develop. This is the setup that I want to develop. Okay. Now, come to this place, guys. We have a mini project here. We definitely have a mini project over here, na boss. Where is the mini project? Where is the mini project? This one? Yeah, not loose coupling. We'll take this one only, right? Because profiles itself provides loose coupling. There is no need of separate loose coupling while working with what? Profiles. When I'm dealing with profile, profile itself gives what? Loose coupling or not there? Guys? 1 minute, I have to guide my team, guys. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So I'm taking copy of it. Very, very interesting example, guys. I want you people to be active. What's the project number? 14. Mini project Oracle MySQL. No Oracle MySQL. I'm simply placing what? Profile. I'm simply placing profiles. 13. Where is that, Ra? Runners 12, 13, YML. Oh, mini project. Boot IOC pros. 014 not correct. Just 14 is correct. This is right. This is really, really right or not there? Okay, that's good. Yeah. First, already jars are there. And let me make sure that what are the connection pools I want to use? Apache DBCP dev. C3P0. Next, Oracle UCP. Lastly, Hikari CP. Hikari CP jar comes automatically. Let me ensure other jars are coming or not coming. If not there, I will add it. What is there in that? Oracle, Project Lambak, MySQL. No, sorry. Only Hikari CP jars are there. Other jars are not there. It's better to keep them ready now, my dear. Yes. Okay. Can I add them as starter or I should get from mvnrepository.com? Can I add them as starter or I should get them from mvnrepository.com? Tell me next one. Okay, first Hikari CP already came. Apache DBCP2. What is there? Apache DBCP2. Select this, guys. Selected. Come on. 2.1.3, guys. Taken. Next. Yes, okay. Select these guys. Say paste. Okay. Apache DBCP2 has come. Next. Next one is what, guys? C3P0. What zero? C3P0. Here is my C3P0, guys. That's good. 0.11.2. Here is copy, guys. Here is what? Paste. Okay. Next, C3P. And I'm interested to work with Oracle UCP also. What is there, guys? Oracle UCP also. Here is my what? Oracle UCP. That's good. Yeah, tell me here. Where is this? 2.23.9 something something. That's good. Here is my what? This. Okay. Say paste. Okay. All the jars are added or not there? First, initially jars are ready. Okay. Now, this application dot property. Okay. And now I have to take how many property files? Four profile specific, four property files. Okay. I will not disturb this first. File save as. File save as. Where is save as option? Why it is not coming? Yeah, that's good. There should be save as option now. Yeah, click on the file, then say you have to click on the file. Application hyphen dev dot properties. Okay. File save as application hyphen test dot properties. Next, file save as application hyphen UAT dot properties. Next, file save as application hyphen what dot properties? Prod dot properties. What dot properties, guys? Yes, that's good. First, go to dev dot properties, guys. Okay, I will say IOC pros 14, layered application, mini project, real time DI. Yeah, where is the driver class name, my dear? Come on. Com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. What's the URL, my dear? MySQL colon 3 slashes NTSPBMS. What is there? NTSPBMS. What is there? I think 718 DB. Hey, one logical database we created, Babu. Yeah, what is the username? Root. Hurry, at the bottom there, fine, no problem, guys, no problem. What's the password? Root. Unnecessarily, I'm wasting my time, no problem. Okay, that's good. Yeah, okay. Now here, what is the connection pool I want to use in this profile, guys? Yeah. The connection pool I want to take here is for dev profile. What profile? Simply for dev profile, right? Yes. Simply for dev profile. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay. Simply for dev profile. Tell me here, where is the story, guys? JDBC driver details for Oracle. JDBC driver details for Oracle. No, this is MySQL. Yes, right. MySQL. That's good. Okay, guys. Activate Apache DBCP2. Activate Apache DBCP. Where is this? Spring dot data source dot type. Spring dot data source dot type. Tell me. Spring dot data source dot type. Tell me. Speak out, guys. I want reply from you people, guys. No, that's lengthy class name along with the package name is there or not there? Okay, class name. What is the how to get it from ChatGPT? You can get it now. Yeah, here what is there? Apache DBCP2 data source class. Simply I am asking what data source class name. Can you call admin? Can you call admin urgent? Here is what? Copy code. Say paste. Yes. It is ready now, boss? Yes. Okay. Next. Then we have got test dot properties. What dot properties? Test dot properties. Carlo. Side ki door ki car water bottle. Yeah. This is for which profile, my dear? Test profile. Which profile? Test profile. Same. Okay. But what is the connection pool I want to add? Acha, we are in this profile only, na? Okay. Understood, guys. Copy this. Go to test profile, say paste. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? For test profile. Tell me, guys. Test profile. MySQL. Activate Apache DBCP2. No, this time I want to work with what? Activate C3P0. Spring dot data source dot type. Tell me. Spring dot data source dot type. Here is the story or not there? Yeah. C3P0 data source class name. C3P0 data source class name. Say paste. It is done or not done, guys? Com dot mchange dot v2 dot c3p0 dot combo pooled data source. It is taken here or not there? Okay, that's good. That's good. This is my combo pooled data source is taken here or not there? Okay, now let's go to UAT dot properties. There, copy this, paste it. Sorry. Okay, let's convert this only. Already Oracle is there. Only data source class name I have to keep, guys. This is for what profile, guys? For UAT profile. What profile? UAT profile. What's the project number here, guys? 14. Where is this profile? 14 profiles. Spring dot application dot name. Boot IOC pros 14 profiles, guys. Yeah, this is my dev profile. This is my test profile. This is my what? UAT profile. Are you understanding my statement, guys? JDBC driver details for Oracle. Specify, what is there? Oracle UCP data source. Data source. Tell me here, where is this? Oracle UCP Oracle UCP data source class. Oracle UCP data source class name. Copy this. Come to this. Okay, where is this? Spring dot data source dot type is equal to paste. Spring dot data source dot type is equal to paste. Okay, that's good. Dev dot properties, prod dot properties, test dot properties, UAT dot properties. Are you comfortable, my dear? Yes, guys. Yeah, these are the things that are done or not done. Dev is done, prod is done, test is done, UAT is done. UAT is not done, huh? Oh, prod is also not done. Hey, prod is easy to do. Why prod is easy to do? Why I will tell. Because default is Ikari CPU only, na? Okay. It is for what profile? Prod profile. It is for prod profile. Tell me here, where is this? Boot IOC pros 14. Yeah, some name profiles. Yes, that's great. Tell me next one. Specify data source type. Specify data source type. Yeah, tell me now. Spring dot data source dot type. Spring dot data source dot type. Spring dot data source dot type. What is that story, boss? Okay, Spring dot data source dot type. Yeah, speak out. What is the story we have to follow, guys? Yeah. I think for Ikari CP, is there any need of specifying? If you don't specify, default is Ikari CP only, na? Okay, that's good. Yes. So this is the 4 properties are ready. So in application dot properties, now this Hangama Kachra is not required. Okay, this is what base file here activate profile. What is there? At a time you can activate one profile, guys. Tell me. Spring dot profile dot activate. Activate I active. Yeah, don't worry, guys. Here, how to activate profile? Active. Active. Okay, I'm initially taking dev. So now I think I completed my first one, how to provide auto configuration input specific to each profile. And do I need to configure all these profile specific property files separately by using @property source? Not required. That's why naming convention is fixed. If you follow any other naming convention, it won't work. No, sir, I will write dev-application. No, sorry. It should be application-profile name dot properties. Then only IOC container recognize them automatically. You must follow this pattern means must follow. No question of deviating from that. That's really great. Okay, next. Yeah. Application dot properties, dev dot properties, this is done. But now listen, guys. You take controller. Is controller Oracle MySQL? No, it's a common for everyone. If you want to make any Spring Bean working for all the profile, better not to add any annotation on the top of it. So not a common. Now look at service business logic, guys. Is it common for all profile or specific to each profile, guys? Common for all profile or specific to each profile? I want reply, guys. Okay. Are Dudekala Hussain. Dudekala Hussain. For Netflix, for end user, they have given. But for project, we have to think at a what? Coding level. I'm just for example's sake, I have taken Netflix. Netflix is different concept and project is different concept, right? Sir, we use Netflix in after production. Then how it is possible having different kinds of profiles like father, son? See, that is accountant, this one. That is, they are the profile created for end user perspective. These are the profiles that are created from what? Development to production. For understanding sake, I have done, boss. Come on. When Netflix project is under development, there also again profiles will be there. They are related to what? Back-end profiles. The profiles what you are enjoying is what? End user profiles. Dudekla bulb glow na? Oh, Dudekla, babu. I am not saying both are same. They are the profile given for what? End user perspective. But when Netflix project is under development, under testing, also similar profiles might be there. Who knows? Okay. Okay. Service is also common for all profiles, na boss? Okay. That's why I'm not writing any @profile. Go to DAO. Employee MySQL DAO. Come on. @repository. EMP MySQL DAO. Are you getting my point there? @profile. Where is this? @profile. Flower bracket open. Tell me. Flower bracket closing. Flower bracket open, closing. Okay, fine. Okay, this employee MySQL should be there for a dev profile. Dev test are not fixed words, guys. Whatever standard you follow, same standard you should continue all the places. One place development, one place dev means not going to work out. What rhythm you are following in one place, same rhythm you should follow everywhere or not there. Yeah, one place dev, another place what? Test. Dev and test. That's good. Okay, that's great. Okay, to get the feeling this class object is created, can I place one zero param constructor here, guys? Super, guys. Tell me. Sys trace. Where is this, boss? MySQL colon zero param constructor. What colon, guys? MySQL colon zero param constructor. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Super. At the rate profile, dev comma test. That's great, boss. I'm going to DAO IMPL. What IMPL? Yeah, Oracle DAO IMPL. Tell me here, where is this? Systrace. Yeah, tell me, guys. Zero param constructor. What is there, guys? Zero param. But this is Oracle, na? Oracle one means I should be ready. Keep it ready for what? You know one thing. There profile, some profile name is what? Only when that profile is in active mode, then only this bean will be loaded, object is created. Otherwise, it never thinks about that. So when it is not instantiated for other profiles, so is there any need of me solving ambiguity problems separately? Earlier problem is what? Every time both classes loaded, every time both classes are objects are created. Now both are ready to inject to service class. But now what's happening? One profile, one class. Yes, na boss. So at a time, how many DAO objects will be ready? And that will be injected to service, na boss. Is there any need of me solving ambiguity problems separately? Tell me. Factory bean based ambiguity problem solution is good. Property file alias XML based is good. This is good. From the beginning, what I am saying, what is ambiguity problem and how many ways are there to solve the ambiguity problem? 3 ways. And every time I am giving profile, in the bracket I am writing future discussion and but I am writing best or not. At least now you realize why it is best now. Only saying SR or really feeling that. I hope so. Where is this, guys? Profile. Tell me, guys. What is there? Prod. What is there, guys? At the rate profile prod. Hey, order is not important. You can write them in any order. UAT. At the rate profile prod. And the other side, what is there? UAT. Other side, what is there, guys? UAT. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Okay. At the rate profile prod. Here is my what? UAT. Convinced with me, guys. Come on, everyone. Close all editors. I employee DAO. Employee DAO IMPL. MySQL DAO IMPL. I employee DAO. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Super, guys. Public int insert employee EMP throws what? Exception. Yeah, tell me. Employee Oracle DAO IMPL. Employee MySQL DAO IMPL. This is perfectly all right or not there? I employee management service. Next. I employee management service. That's good. Yes, we are ready with this. No at the rate bean methods today, not required. Is there any at the rate bean methods? No. I think now our application is ready to work for different profile. But go to service class first. Already I'm trying to solve qualifier based ambiguity problem. Is there any need, guys? Why? At a time, how many profiles I'm going to activate? One. How many DAO class objects will be created? One. What about other DAO class? Will not be created. When object is not there, no ambiguity problem, na? Because one DAO, one service, the DAO object will be injected. Is it simple or not there? Is it so simple or not there, guys? Okay, that's good. Save this. Save this. It's saved or not there. Okay. Great, great, great. Okay. Now let's go to 14. Huh? What is that, guys? 14. 14. Okay. We'll change one more time. 14. Layered application. What, guys? With the profile. Layered application with the profiles. Are you getting my point there, guys? But to give the feeling when profile is not there, any profile this class object is created. I should give that feeling or not there. Yeah, that's why I will write constructor 0 sys trace. Tell me 0 param constructor. What is that, guys? 0 param constructor. That's good. Here is my service class, guys. Yeah, here is my sys trace. Yeah, tell me here what is there? Sys trace. Where is this, guys? 0 param construct. Yeah, let's check in the DAO classes, guys. DAO, yes, that's there. Oracle DAO, that's there. It's there everywhere or not there? It's simply there everywhere or not there, guys? Okay, that's good, great. Yes, file, close all editors. Simply, literally, file, close all editors. Okay, that's great. Now, let's see what we can do there. Boot IOC Pros 14, layered application with profile. Right now in resources, application.properties. What is the active profile, guys? What is the active profile, guys? Dev. The profile that is in active mode is dev. Right click. Tell me next one. Run as. What is there? Java application. Fine, guys. See, what object is created? Is there any Oracle object, Oracle DAO object? Because that is not in what? Active profile list. What is active profile? Dev. Dev means MySQL. These are not specific to any profile. That's why they are always instantiated. And moreover, you check it out. Active profile is what? What is active profile? Dev. Okay, let's see. Employee name, Rajesh. Designation clerk. Salary some number. Okay, clerk. I want manager. And what? Salesman data. We are getting the output there or not there? Employees having clerk, manager, salesman details are not there. Are you comfortable, my dear? Rajesh, clerk, 90,000. Yeah, here is my what? Designation 1, clerk, manager, salesman. Here is the stuff that we are having or not? Here is the stuff that we are having or not there, guys. Everyone understanding my statement, guys. No, I don't like. Project is moved to test profile. I want to work with test profile. 1 minute, 1 minute. In dev only, how to check which connection pool is in active mode? It's better to print connection pool class name also, na boss. Okay, right. During object creation, it won't be injected. Where is this? ds dot get class. Same thing I am doing in what? Aracle DAOIMPL. Yeah, tell me here. ds dot get class. What is there, guys? ds dot get class. Everyone comfortable on this, guys? Yeah, tell me. Right click, tell me. Run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Name Rajesh. Designation clerk. Salary 90,000. Designation 1 clerk. Manager. Okay, what is there? Salesman. Here is the output or not there? Here is my output or not there, guys? Everyone getting my point there or not there? Everyone understood the statement or not there? This is the whole mechanism that we have discussed or not there, guys? This is clerk, this is manager, this is what? Salesman. Convinced with me, guys. Come on, everyone. Understanding my statement, boss. Super, guys. Yeah, but right now, what is the connection pool it is working? Apache GBTP2 is working or not? Okay. Now I'm changing this profile to, okay, test. Because let's check everything, boss. Whether all profiles are working properly or not. This time also MySQL, but connection pool should be C3 page. Right click, run as a Java application. Rajesh, designation clerk, salary what? 90,000. Okay, enter designation 1. What is next one? Salesman. Then what is there? Manager. Here is my output or not there? What is there, guys? Combo pooled data source. What is the message I am trying to put, guys? Combo pooled data source. Are you comfortable, my dear? Got the clarity, my dear? Come on. Yeah, it is now talking to Oracle or MySQL. MySQL. Okay, now let's make this application working for what? UAT. What is there? Can we write active in dev property file itself? Are muddy fellow, how, where profile is there, how you activate profile there? And moreover, to activate dev property file, to activate UAT 280 property file, that is a difficult. Or activating from single place is difficult. Chandni Kumari. Chandni Kumari, it's better to activate from single place or different places? I want reply. Not from you, from Chandani Kumari, I want reply. Okay. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Got it? Yeah, now let's test next one. I want to test UAT profile or not there. What is the active profile I am taking? UAT. The active profile I am taking is what? UAT. Right click, tell me. Run as Java application. What application? Yeah, tell me name, Karan, designation clerk, salary what? 90,000. Designation 1, manager. What is there, guys? Salesman. Are you understanding my statement, guys? But it is giving some problem, guys, internal problem. But that's not a big issue, guys. Here you observe. Here you observe. Pooled data source IMPL, it's happening or not there? But when I give these three things, why it is giving error? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oracle DAO IMPL. It's giving final class not taken. What's the problem? Did I take any final method there? Insert is happening, but towards select operation, I'm getting problem or not there? Is there any problem towards this? 1 minute. MySQL output came. Oracle output is not coming. For Oracle output is not coming. No, it's nowhere related to profile problem. Payroll, this one. Get employees, fetch employees. No, internal problem. Related to Oracle, we got a problem, guys. Cannot resolve or generate what? Proxy. Generate what? Proxy. What could be the reason? 1 minute. Very simple, guys. You simply say print stack trace, you will get the real reason. I'm just printing what now? Just a message. Internal problem. Okay. Along with internal problem, you simply say print stack trace. Here also you simply say what? Print stack. That's good. Right click, guys. Tell me. Run as Java application. Name Raja. Designation clerk. Salary this one. Yeah. Try to understand the problem here, guys. Illegal state exception cannot resolve the proxy. Why so? Why it is the giving problem? Okay. Cannot resolve the proxy, cannot generate the proxy. 512 method, where is the line? 38 line, controller dot register. 1 minute. What could be the possible reason? Payroll operation controller service IMPL. Okay, 48 into insert DAO IMPL. Any experiment we have done other day? iEmployee DAO. Did we take any final class? No. No, it's not a final class, guys. It's a normal class only. Employee DAO IMPL. It's a normal class, normal method. It's a normal method. Try. It is also normal method. Any issue in application execution? It is generated in that one. This cannot generate proxy class. Cannot resolve or what? Generate proxy class. Great. Wait a minute. Look at the jars that are added, guys. Jars that are added. That too, for MySQL it is working good, but Oracle it is giving problem. This runtime resolving could be the issue. Let me remove this runtime. Commons, okay. Yeah, sometimes these versions will give problems, guys. If you don't give version, they pick up everything according to parent version. I think this is the problem. Version is the problem. Last time also we faced this. If you give version, compatibility issue. If they don't give version according to parent, correct version is picked up, right? Okay, now I am 200% confident problem is solved. Okay, why red marks are? Whenever you modify, listen, M3, no option, you have to keep the version because it's not part of the algorithm. Remaining all are part of the algorithm, right? And whenever you get error like this, HTTP, you have to change to HTTPS, you have to change to HTTP are not there. Now I'm very sure problem is solved. Run as, what is there? Java application. Run as what? Java application. Enter employee name. What is there? Rajesh. Designation clerk. Salary 9,000. Okay, no problem, guys. This time could be the real reason. Unique constraint. Unique constraint means what? Already available number is there. That's not a big issue. You run one more time, problem is solved. Run as Java application, guys. Yeah, next. Kiran, designation clerk, salary 9,000, designation 1 clerk, manager. What is there? Salesman. What is there, guys? Salesman. See, now from Oracle output is coming or not? It is using UCP related connection pool or not there? Okay. I don't want this. See, that's the one. Sometime if you mention version, problem will come. Why? It is expecting something and we are giving some version. Be careful about it. Yeah. Now I go to application.properties. Where is this? Prod. It should talk to Oracle and you should give me what? Hikari CP connection pool. What connection pool, guys? It should talk to Oracle and it should give me what? Hikari CP connection pool. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah, tell me, guys. Ramesh, designation clerk, salary 8,000 this. Clerk, what is there? Manager. What is there, guys? Salesman. What is there, guys? Salesman. Are you understanding my statement, guys? This is my Hikari data source or not? This is my Hikari data source or not there, guys? This is the basic output that is coming over here or not there, guys? Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Why it is trying to generate proxy? Very simple. When it comes to any auto configuration bean is there, it will not use original as it is. It will try to generate what? Proxy. It's not constructor issue, guys. It's the issue with what? jar, data source jar file version. What Spring Boot is expecting and what we are giving is not matching. But if you don't give version, what happened? Based on the starter parent version, the child projects will be decided automatically or not there. Okay. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Total, all the 4 profiles we tested are not there. Okay, that's good. Okay, now listen. Let me check whether steps are there properly or not. Number 1, keep mini project ready. Step 2, make sure that you have taken 2 different DAO classes already taken. Empty application.property file for the time being. Okay. Then develop multiple profile specific property files. That's good. We are developing multiple profile specific property files or not there. Make sure that you are adding all the jar files, right? MySQL jar is added. For Tomcat CP jar is added. Okay, no, don't add version tag. Don't add version. Okay. Don't add version. Don't add version here. Apache DBCP. Here also, what is there, guys? Don't add version. Okay, guys. Don't add version. That's good. Next, Oracle UCP. What is there? Don't add version. Yeah, C3PG version is compulsory. What is compulsory, guys? Version is mandatory. Version is mandatory here. That's good. Oracle driver is added. Okay. Yeah. Purely optional, not required. Why? If you mention type, automatically C3P0 got activated or not there. Super, guys. Keep profile annotation on the top of DAO classes. On the top of Oracle DAO, I'm adding what? Sorry, MySQL DAO. I'm adding what, guys? Devkama test are not there. Super. On the top of Oracle DAO, I'm adding what? UAT comma prod are not there, guys. That's good. Next, guys. We are activating profile one at a time or not there. Lastly, run the application. Okay, now you look at the question and answer, guys. If one target class is having multiple dependents to inject, then how can we inject specific dependent of our choice without disturbing the source code of the application or project? Loose coupling is required here. It can be done in what? 3 ways or 2 ways nowadays. Initially, I know only 2 ways, but nowadays I'm giving all the 3 approaches are not there. Yeah, with more experiments, more approaches we found. It can be done in 3 ways. It can be done in how many ways, guys? 3 ways. It can be done in 3 ways. It can be done in what? 3 ways. Using bean aliasing and qualifier. Yes. This demands Spring Bean configuration file utilization. So not recommended. Old style. Using factory bean. Good, but implementing factory bean interfaces makes code as what? Invasive code are not there. Using Spring Boot profile. Best and recommended. Are you getting my point there? Here, the factory bean class should implement what, guys? Factory bean interface. What interface? Should implement factory bean interface. This makes code as what code, guys? Invasive code. This makes the code as invasive. Invasive means tightly coupled code or not? Okay, best and recommended because okay, gives 100% loose coupling. What is there? 100% loose coupling is guaranteed or not there? How can we see the activated profile while running the Spring Boot project? One option is what, guys? The following one profile is active. As a log file you are getting or not there? In the log messages of the project. Next, using environment object, guys. What is there? Using environment object also we can test it or not there. Come on, my dear. Yeah, using environment object also we can test it. Let me check. Go to runner class or what? Client application. Where is this? Where is this? 14. Yeah, mini project profile. I think you got the thorough idea how projects will be developed in real time. How classes and softwares will be changed without having much disturbance to source code, guys. That means at the time of designing of the project only, okay, they will keep some profiles ready and they keep the setup code and everything ready according to those profiles or not. So that we can switch from one profile to another profile without disturbing the source code or not there. Yeah. Now listen. Go to this is the client application, guys. I'm interested to see the active profile now. Yeah, at the end of all these things, guys, get environment object. Environment env is equal to ctx dot get environment. Environment env is equal to ctx dot get environment of. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. System dot out dot println. Current, what is there? Active profile is. Current active profile is get active profiles. Actually, it gives an array, boss. Arrays dot toString. Arrays dot toString. env dot get profiles. Okay, right now I think the active profile is Prada, my dear. Yes, prod. Run as Java application. Enter employee name. What is there? Rajesh. Only Rajesh, no other name. Designation, some name there. Yeah, designation 1. Manager. Salesman. Okay, 89,000. It's done now, boss. What's the current active profile? Prod is coming. Like this, we can check it or not there. Fine, that's good. Sir, I don't want to activate profile by using property file or application.property file. I'm commenting it, guys. So is there any other way to activate the profile? Yes. YML also same application. I don't want to use YML or property. Through system property, I can activate. What is that? System proper. When you go for run configuration of the project, we are getting arguments tab in that one program argument to pass command line arguments. Then we have VM arguments. One more option, VM arguments is there. Nothing but system properties you have to pass. System properties can be user defined or predefined, guys. Okay, to activate profile, one fixed one you have to pass as what? Key value. Check it out. Right click, run as, run configurations. What configurations? Here is my arguments tab, guys. What tab, guys? Here is my what? Argument tab, guys. Spring dot, what is there? Profiles dot active. Spring dot profiles dot active. What is there? Spring dot profiles dot active. Tell me. What is there? There. Spring dot profiles dot active. Say apply, say run. Class not found exception. Oh, no, 1 minute. My mistake. I mentioned as a key. I passed it as a key, but it is not expected as a key, guys. It is expected as what? System property, nothing but VM arguments. Run configuration, arguments tab here, -D. What is there? If you want to pass any system property or VM argument, -d like this. Say okay, say run. Okay, there is no need of running application completely, but I will run, boss. You just see what is the active profile. That means profile is in active mode now, boss. Okay. Kishore, clerk, salary what? 90,000. Designation clerk, manager. Okay, what is that designation? Salesman. Active profile is Devna, boss. That means I am able to run as a system property or not. I have a question. Sir, I will activate one profile with a system property like this and one profile with dev application dot property. Which will be dominated, sir? Huh? Yeah, definitely, boss. System property will get the higher priority. Here I am mentioning prod, guys. In system configuration, what is there? Dev is there. In the execution, what you will get? Dev you will get a something else you will. Run as Java application, guys. Entire employee name. Okay, now this leave it. In the beginning only we can check which one is in active mode, right? In the beginning only we can specify which one is in active mode. Here is what? Dev is coming. Okay, for your satisfaction, I am running the application, guys. Fine. Okay. Yeah, name, Suresh, designation, then designation clerk, manager, salesman. I think you are thoroughly enjoying this, guys. Mini project now is more matured and more perfect or not? We can switch to Oracle to MySQL, any pool, anything we can change by just touching property file. You don't want to touch property file. You can pass what? System property or not. But this is just a launching of the profile. You have to see same profile with YML. While giving differences between property file and YML, I said one statement. If you are working with YML, multiple profiles can be placed in single YML file. Here, multiple profile, multiple properties files I have taken, right? If you want, you can give what? Multiple profile in a single place or not there. If you want, you can place what? Multiple profiles in a single place or not there, guys. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Okay. Yeah, this is what we need to focus, guys. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super, guys. Can you use runner class? Yes, you can use. See, old code is not having runner, that's why. If runner class is there, we can happily take the support of what? A run. Yeah. Tomorrow, as usually, what is there? Regular class, continuation of the profile. Saturday, 7 p.m., common topic, Spring Boot batch processing. What is there? Spring Boot batch processing, introduction. Coding Sunday, but that needs 2 weekends. This weekend and next weekend also. Yeah. Sunday timings are Sunday 7:30 a.m. Is it okay? I said 9:30. I said 9 or 9:30. I think I said 9:30. Okay, tomorrow we will decide. I'll talk to 11 o'clock students also. And accordingly, I will tell. Saturday 7 p.m. Your timing only, they are coming. Some days you came to their slot now they are coming to your slot. It's mutual cooperation now. Okay? All right. Yeah, fine. Let me upload the material, guys. Yeah, where is this? Charge. Oh, not charge GPT. Wait, wait, try. I don't know. I know your chapati is waiting there. Hostel chapati. Chapati, roti, pulka. If you go to railway station, one person will roam selling tea, coffee, right? If you look at his slogan, TA coffee kind of thing. You ask tea, he will give same thing. If you give coffee, he will give same thing. Similarly, in your hostel, that is pulka, that is chapati, that is aloo roti, everything, right? Fine. Work hard. Otherwise, you have to leave this leaf. You have to live this compromised life every time. Yeah, where is this? 7 p.m. 5th June. Yeah, Spring Boot core. Yes. Right click, file upload. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Huh? Class content, Spring guys. 718 guys. Spring Boot core guys. Come on. Okay. Profiles in Spring Boot. Thank you guys. Have a nice